So over here on the top, you can see the histogram, and the histogram right now is in CMYK mode. So that is because the color space chosen is CMYK. So that means cyan, magenta, yellow, and black right here. That is the print colors. If you want to go around and change it to RGB, then you can go around onto the gear icon right here, and then what you can do is you can go around onto workflow, and over here in the color space right here, you can choose RGB color space right here. Like I can select Adobe RGB, and you can see that the color space right here now changes to RGB. If I were to go for lab colors right here, then you get the lab colors over here, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and change out the color space according to how you want. So depending on different color spaces right here, as you can see that the histogram changes out right here. So that's the red color space right here, sRGB, and so forth, just like this, as you can see. So let's just go around over here onto Adobe RGB and press OK, and now you can see that the histogram actually changes out to Adobe RGB, just like this. So that is how you can change around between the histogram color space by changing the actual color space inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.